In this video, we will learn how to draft notice for trespass and damage to property. Date to whom we are going to send the notice. Dear sir, under the instructions of my clients, here we will write the client name, residing, where your client is residing, here we will write, and being authorized by them in this behalf, I am addressing this notice to you. The contents whereof you may please note. In first line, we will write that my client states that my client is the owner of the property bearing plot number out of survey number hereinafter referred as to the said property. In first paragraph, we will give the details about the client's property. In second paragraph, we will write my client states that you are the owner of the property, that is plot number out of survey number, which is the property adjoining to my client's property. In third paragraph, we will write that my client states that on, we will write here the date when my client visited his aforesaid property, he found some construction material on his property and also the barbed wire fencing on the right side of the property removed. My client inquired with the villagers and they informed my client that the construction material has been dumped by you and you have removed the barbed wire fencing. In fourth paragraph, We will further continue with this story. My client states that thereafter my client phoned you and asked you to remove the construction material from the property of my client and also to put up the barbed wired fencing. My client states that you spoke very rudely and abused my client and also refused to remove the construction material or repair the barbed wire fencing. In fifth paragraph, we will write that my client states that you are constructing poultry farm and are encroaching on my client's land. My client states that you are guilty of the trespass and have caused damage to the property of my client. In sixth paragraph, we will write that my client states that my client has therefore instructed me to call upon you to remove all the construction material dumped on my client's land by use. Repair the barbed wire fencing. Refrain from encroaching on the property of my client, either himself or through servants, agents, employees, etc. Pay an amount of rupees for having committed the wrong of trespass and for damaging the property. You will also claim some amount from the other person. In last paragraph, we will write failing which my client will be constrained to file civil as well as criminal proceedings, including the against you entirely at your own risk and consequences arising out of the same, including the notice charges of rupees which you may please not. In last you will sign. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.